In 1986, the Golden Girls won an Emmy for Outstanding Comedy. Out of Africa won an Oscar for Best Picture. And if you can believe it, the Chicago Bears won the Super Bowl. Minimum wage was $3.35, and a gallon of gas only cost you 93 cents. And the Atari 7800 was like the gamer's Christmas gift that year. Do you know what else happened in 1986? Our current payroll system, the Oregon State Payroll Application, went live that December. Hi, I'm Karis Alston, Organizational Change Management Lead for the Payroll and Time Tracking Replacement Project. I'm coming to you live from inside the game Donkey Kong, and I'm here to introduce to you the Payroll and Time Tracking Project. I figured a short video from the year 1986 was a tad more engaging than a super long email. So basically, the change is this. We're replacing OSPA, our current aged payroll application, with the Workday payroll application. Payroll, time tracking, and leave accrual will be done in Workday starting in July of 2022. OSPA is nearly 35 years old, and while it has certainly served its purpose the last 4 decades, it is definitely time to replace it. This change impacts all 3 branches of government: executive, legislative, and judicial branch agencies. Quick note, ODOT, you will continue to use TAMs for time tracking and leave requests. You may be wondering, why are we doing this now? Though OSPA is still getting the job done, there are very few IT experts nowadays with the programming knowledge needed to maintain it. This is a risk we are not comfortable taking anymore. Additionally, HR information, including your salary, is housed in Workday. Every day, new or changed HR information is sent to OSPA in order for you to receive a paycheck. This interface between the very old OSPA and the very new Workday is difficult to maintain. Having all employee information in one place, Workday, mitigates the necessity of this precarious interface between systems. Asking employees to change for the sake of change is just cruel. That is not what this project is. Every change associated with the payroll and time tracking replacement effort ensures that 40,000 plus employees across the state of Oregon continue to get paid accurately and timely for their tireless service. The accompanying email to this video contains a link to our project page. There you will find FAQs, fact sheets, project timelines, resources to help make this change easier for yourself and your employees, as well as information about the project team. This is a DAS-led project, and the project team is made up of employees coming from several different state agencies, including Human Services, Health Authority, Transportation, Youth Authority, Revenue, Treasury, and many others. We all joined this team because we believe in this change and want to make sure it is a success for all of Oregon. Our team is committed to collaborating with agencies every step of the way. We'll provide timely and consistent updates, help with internal communications, deliver training and training resources, and be available for questions, comments, and concerns. We know that this is a significant change, and we know that it will impact everyone across the enterprise. After an extremely difficult 2020, we hope for brighter days ahead, and we're really looking forward to all agencies continuing to collaborate on modernization efforts, working together as one Oregon. Thank you.